Learning Power Automate is career transforming, and I'm a testimony of that. My name is TheOyinbooke. I'm a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional in Business Application, a Microsoft Certified Trainer, a Data Scientist, and also Certified Data Management Professional. I have created enterprise-wide solutions using Microsoft Power Automate, and I've been recognized at different levels for this. Imagine you have the skill that can solve process inefficiency challenges in your organization today. This is exactly what Power Automate will do for you. You'll be valuable, you'll be more satisfied with your work, and you're already equipping yourself, preparing for the second phase of the work, which is the second wave of the data transformation. I want to congratulate you for watching this video right now and for signing up for this course, because in this course we're going to walk through a whole lot of use cases. The focus is getting you equipped strong enough that after finishing this course you already have solutions that you can take to your organizations to start implementing, and you have ideas and knowledge and skills around Power Automate that will allow you to combine different features together to automate unique processes within your organization. I am a passionate community builder, and I'm assuring you that this course is not just for myself. 20% proceed from this is going into building data community in Nigeria. I am actually helping teenagers and youth to get system, which is primary ingredient for them to learn and grow their skill in this age. In case you want to follow with this activity, you're free to follow me on Twitter. All the details will be posted. I'm going to make sure I pin report on this regards. Let's get back to your learning needs. I have structured this course in a way that will enable you to build incrementally on your knowledge, starting by getting you familiar with Office 365 applications and services, introducing you to what is capable within those applications. And after that, we'll navigate to the overall of Power Platform, where we then narrow down to Power Automate. My choice for Power Automate will be made known to you. And also, we'll walk through over 15 use cases, from connecting to database, either on cloud or your premise, making Power Automate to talk to them, creating a learning management assessment solution, automating memo approval solution. Many interesting and fantastic use cases. I am convinced that this course is the right one for you. Besides, everything will not end here. I will continue to increment and increase the use cases. As more are coming, I'm going to be adding them. So you are sure that this course is worth it. On a yearly basis, you have more knowledge, more skills for free, because it will continue to increase in use cases. It becomes the idea pool you can go to and see many things that is possible to do with Power Automate. I want to say once again, congratulations to you, because this is indeed a learning journey. I'm not just going to be as an instructor. We're going to be co-building solutions together. We're going to be co-learning together. And this is the most exciting part of it. I will also encourage that you continue to keep this open. Keep your learning open by making use of LinkedIn and Twitter. Tweet about this course. Tweet about what you are learning. Tweet about what you are building. It's going to be your digital footprint to show your continuous commitment to learning. Wow, I have said so much, but I have many more, not just to say, but to show you and to do together. It's going to be an exciting and automatic journey. Let us dive deep. Thank you.